Hey guys, it's your boy T-Man. I'm doing a quick review on Cheetah wall mounts. I did get by two of them. They were for a great price, $33.99. It holds it holds 20 to 65-inch TVs. And I wanted to get something that's gonna, be definitely able to hold my TV up. So I do have a 50-inch over here I want to put up. And I have another 55-inch get from Best Buy today. So hope you guys like my review. Pull it out the box real quick here so you can see it. So I got two of them. Like I said, the price isn't bad. See online, I see them go for like $150 for full motion wall mounts. These have pretty decent reviews online. For Amazon shows. Comes with a leveler, HDMI cable, and the full motion wall mount. As you can see here, here's all the detailed information, and hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching. To give you a little bit more detail how it looks, hopefully I can do this with one hand. This is the leveler you get. Magnets. Right. You got the screws, of course. And these are the arms here, as you can see right there in the picture. Let's have to take one out for you. There we go. Feels really solid. Little booklet comes with. Okay, cool. Alright, other arm, HDMI cable. See if I can take it out the bag here. Bear with me. Okay. It's only kind of difficult. Oh, that's the opening here. Here we go. Let's see how good my one-handed skills are. Not as good as I thought. Sorry, guys. I'll open it up once I, get everything squared away here. More screws. Of course, the wall mount. This should be easy to take out. Alright, can't wait to get this baby up. Very, very excited. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. As you can see, everything went okay. Yep. So the next thing is just to put the TV on the wall. Have the brackets on the back here. So let's get that started. Yep, so everything came out perfect. I'm gonna show you the back. Here we go. And it does come with, I guess, a little option to keep it from tilting. So you do have the option. I like to keep mine tilted. So yeah, everything looks great. Almost tripped. But yeah, everything came out great. I didn't kill myself. The wall didn't fall on me, so I'm pretty happy about that. And my TV is still looking good. All right, hope this helps y'all on your purchase. Thank you for watching. Go Family Guy.